Mini Kit Monday friends. So for my layout today, I'm going to use my page kit with my Chamel goodies. And I love these. So I don't know what I want to use for my background yet, but these are my options. I've got some great, bright, happy little scraps here. So I have plenty of paper. I have, and I showed you all of this in my kit reveal, but I just thought I'd show you again. I've got this almost full sheet, just a couple flowers missing. I've 6 by 12 of the sticker sheet, a portion of these great little foam with cardstock sticker overlays, some puffy bits. And so I have a lot just for this page kit that I can go with. And then, let's see, one washi tape from the collection, some of the embellishments, and a really large amount of the ephemera die cuts, whatever you call it. So I have that. I also have these two photos my husband sent to me last night while he was watching TV, and I was watching TV in another room in the house. So he's just messing around on Snapchat because, you know, the state of the world today is just a little wonky. So we have that. And let me show you the sketch I'm using. I'm using this sketch right here, and it is day 13 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round 5. So, and I'll try to remember to put the sketch right about here when I'm crafting so you don't have to see my ugly little lamp base and all of that. So I'm going to use the sketch, which will make it really easy to get going and take you along with me. So here we go, friends. All right, so I was on the absolute struggle bus for a minute and started crafting, and my camera switched itself off. So I'll explain to you a little bit what's going on. You see the sketch in the upper right hand corner, so you can see that I pretty much mirrored the sketch. I went ahead and put the 2 fishtail banner pieces beneath the photo areas, and I did use 2 photos. Now in the sketch, it looks like there's a square photo and maybe a rectangular photo, or it could be a frame, or however you want to interpret it. But I used the 2 photos. I went ahead and did the fishtail banners, and I also created a cluster on the bottom right of my layout. Now, I thought that the background pattern paper, that really great polka dotted rainbow, could use a photo mat just to bring your eye into the photo more, because there's polka dots going every which way. So I used the blue that was in my kit and just gutted it, and then I was also able to use a piece of that on the photo on the left and used a scrap of the yellow paper for the photo on the right, and it reads Wish all over it. And you don't really see, you know, you can't tell what the writing is on the pattern paper, but the color is nice and bright and happy on all of that stuff. Now, I put those photos on top of a 4x6 cut apart piece that was kind of a wood grain, and it had pattern and whatnot on it, but I just wanted to have kind of a block area. I tucked in a cute little die cut to the left of my photos with the leafy bits, and I also used that sticker that's on the red fishtail banner to do a little bit of journaling. Now, I thought it was appropriate to also use a sticker with a little pirate ship because my husband has kind of a sailor's cap on, and I thought it was, actually I found it to be oddly hilarious. Now my cluster down on the bottom, there's a die cut that reads Here Comes Trouble, some really nice bright green that I also brought down just to have more repeating colors. The word hello that is to the right is from those little foam stickers that I have, and I only have a partial sheet of them, but I am getting through. The Play All Day to the upper right of the photo is another one of the die cuts, and it's in a wood grain, so that was working out. There's also this cute little toy boat that I thought went along with the pirate theme or the captain theme that I was working with a little bit. I mean, it's not like my husband was on a boat. He was in our living room, but just go with it. Okay, so that's what we have so far, and it actually does look like the sketch. Now, I'm looking at some of these little floral pieces for some bright color. I have an orangey one on the left, and I like this blue one for the right. So what else can I tell you? All right, so these colors are bright and happy and cheerful and vibrant, which is, you know, the way Chamel products always are. Um, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing with those little red ants. I think I'm going to be staging a picnic soon just so I can use them. They're so cute. I have a ton of them on that little puffy sticker sheet, and I also have some that are on my flat sticker sheet. So I definitely want to use them. I think they would be really cute for having movement going all the way across the page. So I like those little birds. I like puffy anything, but I decided to get 3 of those little puffy birds on this layout because they have little spots that they can rest. I think that's so cute. Now, I am trying to use these little epoxy and wood buttons as is. I tend to shy away from the wood buttons because they're so dimensional, but I love the look of them. In the past, I've really usually just pop out that little epoxy piece and use it, but I have been using the wood buttons this time around. I do take off the adhesive bits that are on the back of it because it makes it way too chunky. Now, if I were putting it on a card or something like that, it would be just fine though. Now I'm finding a few spots that I can put the enamel dots on that came with this kit. Oh, actually I'm putting those holographic sequins in, and they create a huge punch because they draw your eye so easily. So yeah, I was really digging those, and I used large ones in a few different places, and then I went ahead and sprinkled in some enamel dots. I'm popping in just a few little word sentiments right here. And oh, let me let you know, I will put the links for the other mini kit Monday ladies down below in my description box. And if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, go ahead and put them down and I'll get back to you pretty soon. I usually get back to people by the next morning, usually. We're living in slightly crazy times right now, so sometimes things don't go as planned. Oh, those tiny word stickers were from the Bloom collection, by the way. I just borrowed them from another one of my page kits really quickly. But I figure I'm the boss of them, so I can. All right, so that is my layout. I hope you like what I came up with, and sorry you missed a little tiny bit of the footage in the beginning. This one's simple, but I think it's so fun. All right, now here's a still shot of this one. Thanks so much, and I will be back ever so soon with another video.